Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a pair of earbuds. These are the OpenRock S2 and this is the box for it. If we zoom in we have some specs and what it can do. So open ear air conduction sport earbuds. You can see they're sport by the design. They will go on top of your ears so they will never fall, especially if you're running, cycling. They're really good. We got high resolution wireless audio and LDAC on the front. If we have a look on the back, we have some more specs right here and features. So we have 7-gram hook clip design ensures a perfect fit. So basically they weigh 7 grams each, which is absolutely amazing. Up to 32-hour playtime, customized 12mm driver with enhanced bass, professional sound perfect for sports, 4 mics and AI algorithm for clear calls, IPX5 waterproof multi-point connection and Bluetooth 6.0. So basically it's got a lot of the new features of everything else on the market right now. Most of the new earbuds have the same features, but these ones being 7 grams, they managed to fit all that in a 7-gram package. It's absolutely amazing. I don't know how they did that, but props to them for that. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So we have some safety and warnings and cautions. We have an instruction manual, user manual right here. So I suggest you give this a read so you can understand what you can do with this earbuds. We have the earbuds themselves right here. This is the case, really. It has this white specs on it. It looks great. It looks like a Galaxy actually. Obviously it's black. If we have a look on the side, right here we have the charging port. We have a USB Type-C charging port. Basically, I think it will work with most USB Type-C cables you have around your house. To open the case, all you have to do is just flick up. And now you have the earbuds themselves, which are magnetically attached to the case. So if you take one out and you try to put it back, just drop it in there, you'll go to the right spot. And as you can see, it has 2 pins right here. That's used for charging. You got the other 2 pin connectors on the back of the earbuds. They're really lightweight. I'm super impressed by this, and they seem to be very flexible as well. They will go nice around your ear. I already put them on before I started filming this part of the video, and they feel absolutely amazing. The other one is the same, so basically they will just go over your ear, and this is the concept of open ear earbuds. It's non-invasive, so you'll be able to hear your surroundings around you, but also have crystal clear music and voice calls, which is absolutely great. To charge it, basically if you want to charge them, you put them back in the case. The case has a battery as well, so you can charge the case, and when you're out using the earbuds, put them back in the case, they will charge. When you get back home, just charge the whole thing, it will charge everything up. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get in the box. And I wanted to show you guys how to connect it, but it's fairly simple. All you gotta do is open the case. Once you open the case, you press this button right here. You'll go into pairing mode. After that, go to your mobile phone or any Bluetooth compatible device. Look for OpenRock S2, press pair, and that's it. You're ready to go. Very simple. You only gotta do that one time. After you do that one time, once the case is open, they will connect by themselves. So as I said, only one time, and after that you don't have to pair it every time. You'll stay paired to your device and they will always connect it when you take them out. And yeah, if you guys want to buy them, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check them out. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.